Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Neha Verma, the founder of 4D Innovations, an inspiring e-learning institute. If you're really looking for something serious about English conversations, then today's video is for you. Enjoy the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.
Hi.
Hi,
Hi.
how are you?
Fine, thank you. And you?
Yeah, I'm fine too. What's your good name, please?
Excuse me.
What is your good name?
My name is Aina Zim.
Ainazim. Oh,
Yes.
very nice name, and it's different one. What is the meaning of this name in English?
The name of it is I'm Kazakh. In the meaning of Kazakh languages, it is moon.
Oh, you are looking like a moon also.
Next, Nas, this is means music.
Music. I love
Yeah.
music. Do you love music?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So I would like to know from where you belong to, your native country.
I'm from the Kazakhstan.
Okay. And where it is? Actually, I never listened about this country.
It is near in the Russian and China.
Oh, you're in between of both that.
Yeah.
Okay. So you are like now you are living in New Zealand?
Yeah, right now I'm living in the New Zealand, Hamilton, in the city Hamilton.
Okay. And what is your like hobbies?
I like yoga.
Okay.
And,
So first of all, thank you very much for joining me today.
mhm.
Okay. So can you read English or can't?
Hello, everyone.
Yes.
Thank you for joining me today.
Yeah, good. It's joining me today. Okay.
Mhm.
So our today's topic is about introductions. Okay.
Mhm.
So
Okay.
what do you mean by introduction?
I really, maybe I know, but I can't remember what is it. I can't remember this.
You cannot express it. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Express is a word while you are showing your feelings. If you are unable to show your feelings, it means you are not able to express. Okay? So I can type a word for you here that is express. Can you see my chat box? It's express. E-X-P-R-E-S. Okay?
Expressed. Okay.
Express means show your feelings.
Show your feelings. It is. Oh, good.
Yes,
Okay.
it's happy, I'm enjoying, I'm having fun. So these all are your feelings. If you are sad, this is also your feeling. If you are happy, this is also your feeling. If you are excited, that's also feeling. Okay, so there are some feelings. So I'm typing it side by side so you can notice it. Okay, so there is a happy feeling, sad feeling, you are nervous, this is also a feeling. Okay,
Yeah.
you are excited, this is also a feeling.
Okay. Okay.
Presenting my introduction to you. So I'm saying, hello, I'm Neha Verma. I'm here because I love to teach English language. So now it's your turn. Why you are here? Can you tell me?
Could you repeat, please?
Yes. Why you are here? What is your purpose to join my class?
Oh, it's good because I need to learn the English, and I very happy you help me for the learn English.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I'm typing it for you. You can write it down. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm typing side by side for your improvement. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. I joined this class because I would like to learn English language.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so,
Yeah.
so now we are moving on to the types of introductions. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so I'm sharing it with you. So there are two types of introductions. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
one is formal and another one is informal.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
Yeah.
formal introductions we are using with official people. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
like
Mm-hmm.
as your office boss. Okay, so we are using formal introductions with them. So when we greet them, we are saying good morning or good afternoon or good evening or good night. Okay, so we are always greeting with the formal phrase that is called as good morning or good afternoon. Okay, then
Mm-hmm.
you have to say my name is Enazim. Okay, sorry
Yeah.
if I pronounce your name wrong because I never listened this word before. Okay, so if
Mm-hmm.
I'm saying my name is Neha Verma, so you have to say my name is Anazim. Okay,
Okay.
then you have to say something about your profession. Your profession is your job. Your job title or your work title is known as your profession.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what is your profession?
Um, I work at the telecom company in the real-time monitoring. In the
Okay,
group of real-time monitoring, I'm I was being the analytics. Right now, I am not working.
okay. So I'm typing it for you that how you can write it or how you can explain it.
Mm-hmm.
Like currently I am not working, but my job title is in a telecom company as a monitoring person. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so you can explain your job role like this.
Okay.
Okay, now can you
Mm-hmm.
move to the next point?
Yeah.
You are understanding everything?
Yes.
If you have any doubt, you can tell me. Okay? Okay, let's move on to the next point, which is about your strengths. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So
I
what is
know. I
your,
don't.
yeah, I'm telling you, what is your strength? What is your positive point? Okay, like you are an intelligent person. Okay, you are a hardworking person. You can
Ah,
do smart work. Okay, so what are your positive strength? You have
mhm.
to tell me.
I think I'm a little have a hard work, a little have a smart, little have
So you are a combination of hard work and the smart work. Yes?
smart and funny working people because
Yeah.
I like and jokes,
Oh.
joke.
So you are a fun-loving person also.
Yeah, and I can work hard because in my work it is not. It's very hard because we are sitting all day and we see the monitoring and we write the wrongs and it is very hard.
Okay, so you are saying that your work is very hard because you have to check all the things are correct or wrong. Yes?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so you are a fun-loving person also. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
Am I right?
Yeah.
Let's move on to the next point.
Yeah.
Yes.
Next.
So in the end of your formal introduction, you have to say nice to meet you or glad to meet you, like you are happy to meet a person.
I don't know when we use it.
Yeah,
Great.
I'm telling you. When, if you are meeting me, okay, first time, and I'm your boss, okay, so you have to give me the formal introduction, all the points, like my name is this, like my strength is this, my profession is this. And when you say bye bye
Mm-hmm.
to me, you have to say nice to meet you. If you are happy to meet me, then you have to say nice to meet you or glad to meet you.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, if you are happy then you have to say nice to meet you or glad to meet you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so now we are moving towards the another type of introductions, which is called as informal introduction. That
Mm-hmm.
one is with the formal people at your job, at your work. This is informal when you are saying some to your friend or any stranger you are meeting in the traveling time. You are going to work in the train and you are meeting somebody. So all these people, your neighbor is also come under in your informal introduction. So if
Mm-hmm.
you are new to me and you are living besides my house, okay, so you are my neighbor. So how you will introduce me? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
in the greetings, you are saying hello or hi. Okay.
Okay.
Then you have to say that I'm Anna. Okay. Or
Mm-hmm.
I'm Neha. So in the formal introduction, you have to say that my name is, and you have to give your full name. That is Neha Verma. Okay. But here, if you are my friend or my neighbor, so I'm saying I'm Neha.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then what about you? You have to ask him back that what about you? That how are you? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then you have to talk something about that I love singing. Do you like shopping? Or I'm going to shopping. Do you wanna catch with me? Okay, so these are the words to like express your things with your neighbor, with your friend in an informal talk.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you can tell something about your hobbies, your likes, your dislikes, or anything you would like to share with your new friend or new neighbor. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
then in the end, when you are saying bye bye, you can say that see you. If you want to see him again, so you have to say see you, or you can say that take care. Okay,
Okay.
so
Mm-hmm.
these are the informal phrases for them.
Yeah. In the formal introduction, we use more words. in
Yes.
the little words and that's it.
Little words. Yes.
See,
And you
bye.
are.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much and have a lovely day. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye
Thank you.
bye. Thank you.